Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Dora again. In today's video guys, I'm going to share with you how to create a PayPal account in Uganda and other countries. Many people are currently struggling how to create PayPal accounts. They are trying but it's not working. Please watch this video to the end if you have that problem. If you need to create a PayPal account in Uganda and other countries, I'm going to share with you step by step. So guys, as we get started, don't forget to hit that like button down below so that this video reach out to everyone who need this information, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new to this channel guys. Now let's get started. First of all guys, open your Google on your phone, go to Google and then search for PayPal sign up. Search for PayPal sign up like this one. So we need the first one guys. We are going to press on the first one. We need this one, the first one. So press on it. Make sure you search PayPal sign up. Then guys, you can create a personal PayPal account, but it's disturbing in Uganda. It's disturbing. They don't send you the code. So guys, let's go with the business account. You're going to press here. Sign up for free business account. Then guys, you're going to press on this car thing. I'm not a robot. Then we are waiting for what is next. What is the next step? How to create a PayPal account in Uganda. Then guys, you are going to fill in this page. You are going to fill in your legal first name, legal last name, and then email address and the password. I'm hiding mine because I don't want you guys to see my information. After entering your information and your password, you are going to press here. After guys, press on submit. Agree and submit. My network is a bit slow, but so guys, after here guys, they are going to show you that you are ready to use PayPal. My account is already done, so I'm going to activate my account right here. I'm going to activate my account right here. I press here on activate your account. Start activating your account. Then guys, I have to fill in this information also. Individual seller or business. I'm an individual seller, so guys, I press here. I press on individual seller. Then guys, I have to scroll down here and I fill this information. You press on this one, you press here. Just use your full legal name for now. Then you can this thing will fill in itself automatically. Business type, I fill in individual. And date of birth, you enter your date of birth. I'm hiding mine because I don't want you guys to see. Then guys, after, you are going to enter your phone number right here. You first look for the code. I'm looking for Uganda right here. I'm looking for the Ugandan code. I'm struggling finding the Ugandan code. It's right, I have not yet gotten it. It's right here. Then guys, I enter my phone number. Then guys, after entering my phone number, what is your residential address? You guys, you have to fill in all this information. You have to fill in all this information that you can create a working PayPal account in Uganda. Then guys, Uganda doesn't have a postal code. I enter 256. Then after guys, I press on next. Make sure guys, you fill in all that information. Tell us about your business. What is your primary currency for your business? It's US dollar. I live US dollar. What do you sell, or what services do you offer? Then guys, you can put anything. Even though you are creating a personal account, remember guys, I told you that personal account is not working in Uganda. They don't send you the phone number code. So guys, do you have business website? No. Company business address, I enter. I just press here and I just press here guys, and I fill it automatically. After, I press on next. Complete the customer identification process to avoid PayPal account service interruption. Guys, I'm feeling this press also. I'm looking for Uganda. Make sure guys you watch this video to the end. Uganda is right here. So guys, I press on submit. After I press on submit, you are all set. So guys, I'm done creating my PayPal account in Uganda, a working PayPal account. Then guys, you press on next. You just press here on next. I press on next. My account is ready. You can see guys, my account balance is 0.00 USD. This is my new PayPal account. I'm going to get a link on my email so that I can activate my account, so that I can confirm my email. I'm going to get a link on my email. It's already sent. It's right here. Guys. I'm going to press on this. You are going to press here after getting the email. You are going to get many emails, but you are going to look for this one, for the one to confirm your email. You are going to press on confirm your email right there. After guys, I'm logging in. I'm entering my password. So guys, after entering my password, I press on confirm email. My network is slow. So guys, right here, I'm done confirming my email. Guys, everything is done. I'm done creating my PayPal account. So guys, that's how you can create a working PayPal account in Uganda and other countries. Share this video if it's helpful with your friends. Don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.